doing today is taking the theme of pork belly, and we're going to show you how we're going to present it as a meal. You know, you kind of need chopsticks for this. So if you don't know how to use your chopsticks, I will learn. First thing I have is, hey, get a close up here. I have pork belly that I cooked in the oven, but I'm just going to use this to caramelize over a flame. Hopefully it'll make it taste better. So it's all that goodness in there. Let me add a little bit more. Okay.
Recording again, guys.
Okay, let's see how the pork belly is doing. Oh, look, it's looking pretty good.
Leave the lid off for moisture to come off.
Yeah, and then let's really caramelize it. Okay, so I have to tell you how we made this.
You always say your phone's gonna smell like pork belly. There we go. Oh yeah.
Let's put it in.
Apparently we're all about mixing bread with rice.
What we got here, so what we're gonna do now is put together a plate. Okay? So that one of these ice things here.
Okay.
Okay. And then if the bread is caramelized, it should be a little more than this.
It
Okay?
should be more toasted than
Okay,
that.
it should be more toasted, but we're gonna pretend